There are three main types of flexible duct: plastic, thin foil, and semi-rigid. Plastic is the least expensive, but it's not allowed by most building codes or dryer manufacturers for clothes dryers because it can't contain a lint fire. If you find this type of duct on your dryer, you should replace it. Thin foil flexible duct that isn't rated for a dryer won't contain a lint fire and it can tear easily. Some manufacturers like Whirlpool and Maytag don't allow thin foil duct at all, even if it's dryer rated, because it may not contain a lint fire. For safety, many dryer manufacturers and building codes recommend using semi-rigid duct labeled UL2158A for a flexible dryer connection. This type of duct is designed to contain a lint fire. But always check your local building code for the requirements in your area.